Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Before I get started today, I just want to say thank you to all my current subscribers. You guys are awesome, helping me grow this channel, and I couldn't do it without you. And if you're new to the channel, please do consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing if you want to see more watches. I'm always reviewing new watches on this channel. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So, without any further ado, let's get into this watch review today. I'm going over the BODERRY Voyager. It is a beautiful watch, but you know what really gets me is this beautiful case that it comes in. I mean, it's a hard plastic case, and it's to resemble a shipping container. It's really a nice container. I mean, I almost want to do a review of the container. It's so nice. Um, but it really is a great way to present their watch. But enough said about the container. Let's get into the actual watch itself. It's the BODERRY Voyager military styled tactical watch. Comes with the instruction booklet, the warranty card, and it's very well protected inside of its shipping container case, which is really cool. And here it is. It is a beautiful watch. I have not taken it out of the plastic yet. But guys, this is an amazingly spec'd watch for the price. This watch right now, you wouldn't even believe it. After you see the specs on this thing, you're gonna expect to pay somewhere in the neighborhood of $200 or $250 for this watch. But guys, look at this thing. It's beautiful, beautiful watch. You've got, you know, it's a 40 millimeter case and it's titanium. So this thing feels much lighter than it should feel for an automatic movement. It's a Seiko NH35 Japanese movement. Wonderful movement with the sweeping second hand. It's a very sharp watch. It's got that Swiss C1 Super Luminova for the lume on it. So it's a very, very good, brightly illuminated watch at night. It's got the nylon tactical military strap. Wonderful watch. Really good for the price. This thing is sharp, very sharp looking. You get the date window down at the 4 o'clock position, as well as the winding crown in the 4 o'clock position, screw down crown. Very nice. Everything moves nice and solidly on it. Very good, nice tactical feel to it. Everything feels nice and crisp and sharp and tight when you're winding it, and just a wonderful watch. Let's see here. Yep, you can wind it. Everything feels wonderful on it. It's just a great watch, guys. Not even believe the price on this thing, guys. Right now on Amazon, this thing's $97 right now on Amazon. 97 bucks. I mean, you're getting like a $250 value for $97 on Amazon with this watch right now. You're not going to beat a sale price like that. I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and check it out. It is an affiliate link. But if you're looking for a nice tactical watch, nice military design tactical watch, you're definitely going to want to take a look at this thing. This thing is a wonderful watch. Very light. Like I said, with that titanium case, it's just very light. It almost feels like it would be made out of plastic, but when you look at it, you can definitely see it's not a plastic. It's all titanium. It's beautiful looking. It's got that gunmetal finish. Very nice. Very good design. I mean, you could even find a nice titanium bracelet for this thing that would really dress it up, but it does look nice with the tactical bracelet, the nylon bracelet. But for me, I'm not a huge fan of the tactical bracelets, the nylon. But it does make the watch look nice, but you can always change it out. You can always change that out to any type of bracelet that you like on this thing. And like I said, you're not gonna find a better deal on an automatic with all these specs, better than $97. I mean, this is definitely a win as far as the budget friendly concept is concerned. It is a sandblasted titanium case, automatic winding. So it has the automatic winder inside of it. It's the BODERRY Voyager. Very, very nice watch. It's water resistant up to 100 meters. I can't say enough good things about it. It's just a wonderful watch. It really is nice. Like I said, for me personally, I'm not a fan of the nylon straps, but as far as nylon straps go, it's not a cheap strap. It is stitched very well. It's very, very durable. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels very, very tight and strong. Just very nice, nicely constructed. And you know, you can just, let's get a nice close up of it here so you guys can see it. Nice sweeping hand. Very, very, very classic looking military style watch. You can't beat it. Not at this price. So definitely head on over to Amazon. Check this guy out. It is a wonderful watch for the price. You're not going to go wrong with it. And like I said, I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and you don't see a lot of high-end watches on this channel, but this is something that I consider to be a higher-end watch for not a lot of money. So definitely, guys, it's really sharp looking. If you're looking for this type of watch, like I said, I will post that link in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick one up. And stay tuned to the channel for more watches. I've got a lot more watches coming in. And I will be reviewing a lot of watches. I've got probably 6 or 7 watches coming in within the next day or two. And I will be reviewing all of them. I've even got a Seiko GMT watch coming in. I got some Pagani design. I've even got a really nice Timex, believe it or not, that has a very, very nice look to it. Very sharp looking Timex watch. So I can't wait to get that in and do a review on that for you guys. So anyways, if you do like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It really does help the channel. And once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And I will see you guys in the next watch review video. You guys have a great night.